Honorable Okraku Mantey, or you'll be personally have so much respect for in terms of how we started our musical career from day one. And there will be because we need respect for him, the maturity, but no crap, a woman say, maybe some may also produce me. But maybe when women challenge them, you'll be obeying the produce me. And no yet, or no one vision, or no answer on the vision, they also put me for tenor. That's fine. Then, Obi for so we move or promote me. Now, there's something that happened. Maybe Koye show fast forward in recent times. So, we activated Tech Brand. We Koye show to activate the Tech Brand proper. That will book arena. Now, in fact, putting all that money, that effort, that enthusiasm, and everything, bring all the musicians on board, and we finishing the show. The next day, on Hit FM, I mean, they were having a discussion on the shows that happened in the weekend. And Mark said, Obi to tell me, we need the India, maybe Koye show, maybe Koko show, we need the India, maybe year concert. He doesn't know why it takes a year concert. Now, maybe Sam, me, now maybe Sam who say, Papa, so Kasa, he's supposed to be a gatekeeper of this game. And to be that, me can be that. Then what's he trying to say? Because a lot of people also see him as an industry person with a lot of respect. He said, the Olamoye, maybe they may not place that respect on me, but they place it on him, which makes it even dangerous for him to pass such a remark. Now, the doctor, doctor ni echo hospital, oko share patient, musician, Yankupon ya dum see a thing where you come her, musician of my caliber, who do be a very crucial. Now to me a whole show like that, with all the bravery, with how people even see you and trying to surpass all of that. Now we hear now Obi to say Mark who's supposed to be a gatekeeper of this game, Midnight Radio, so cast mask the whole public. He said, or no so say you are not deserved of making your own concert. Now who cry won't hear here. If your mommy call her direct and say, I don't know, make it that statement now. And I made that statement. That questioning in front of a few people. I don't want to bring anybody in, but a few people were there. It's your knowing. And I asked him that question. And he was like, oh, he didn't apologize when you have to. And I'm saying, no problem. And I made him free. Now, fast forward. This same person, I be a deputy minister. So, my deputy PA, again, I will so become family. Ama Sadian and Sabeka. And I'm in Sanka. Also said this same person also say, Edia may take. Mean deserve it, me and me for my own concept. No, the repair bar, you obey me, your bomb didn't cry, 10 of a camp family home. A man is that so better with the Pedia family home. And see, Manuel Piane, ever woman, you need fear for them in mind, you know, the other one that, now, I don't know, say nothing. Now, a Obia. Probably appreciating what he feels about musicians. No, or can be a carry weight, you know. So make it comments this found one. A bit me, I'm well no Vianney abo. Fast forward 3 days ago, I think 2 days ago, 3 days, it's like a month now. There's going to be a big show in this country and no more activating, no more percent the for me. Now, you go back and forth. Finally, the proposal, you know, no more to but later, my mom come with another place and no more in common. So, no more in common. Omuka say, in fact, the truth may say, remarks to say, the maker say, Mark, a party on me. Obi tell me, me cry, I see me, I don't know, me at the concert cry. You know, and I'm move out for me, I'm moving the head to you know. But Miss Me woman will say, you my know. It doesn't deserve those kind of remarks. And things become difficult for your chroma. And sometimes you may not see the artist being very active because some of our own peers are downplaying what they've been able to achieve for themselves. And you ask yourself, so you know, then you are respecting a mutual respecting and then my picture number why deputy minister no. Say enya Nyankopon adom ana ipatuna oman tutu mu onu so betru ho a. Na say me so na enya sa recommendation ama that you will be the penny ama me ama me so isi ana ya kami workers ni ade ade a. Na me so na de na makomeni. And I say, we are deputy minister, we are different from a normal Ghanaian citizen. Say, yeah, normal Ghanaian citizen, who is my oppression and not connection. Well, at the end of the day, the big thing and say, for me, I am a say, for all that I've done, the heroic, what I have been able to do and continue to do. Even the I am take concept, and Okraku told me point blank, that the I am take concept in the motivating the man here, Paimuka. But people said the Paimuka was a success. It is the man here, I am take concept now. And for Okraku, then on motivation only by Paimuka. So, some of us who defy all the odds and go out and fight and put the name up there, the Ghana music and whatever we're doing up there. It's simple as a gatekeeper. But you don't pass those comments that hit people on radio, public radio, say, I didn't take crown or no quiet concert. Not me a doctor. And I'm a pilot. I'm a musician. The only thing you do is when you release and you perform and you go out there and you try to put your music or your craft out there. That is all you've got to do. And see, it baffles me to hear such a comment. And funny enough, I had it myself. It's not like say, be the Katremi. Say, I say, and I say. And I think personally, I felt that when they called me, and I heard that comment, people say, these things, and somebody like me, I'm asking them all these years, I've heard a lot of things that have happened now, but it's going on, and for people like this rising to the top, it will just break the whole thing down.
Take.
It will break the whole thing down, and that is why I feel personally it is not right there. We will get that,
Take. Hello, Take.
Yes, Nana.
Yes. First of all, that's a set watch mu ama yehunu baby a free ba ntino e betumi asisu aka say personally their take mark
yes, Nana.
their personally the mark aka found ho ama wa ode waso teye enu ntina ugina so tro say onye obi a sebe wani kan say oye deputy minister me boa take back out temenka
it's on kapa
yeah me pesa me kire say won kire mu ma me ti ase say personally encounter na say de wa kan fa ho enu ntina ma wo so kan we e fa ne ho me boa
oh enu one of the biggest factors.